Hey everyone, it's been a while since I put out a video, so I thought I'd do a quick little shot of this water separator that I built for my plasma cutter. I've seen them on YouTube where guys have made them and put them on the wall by their air compressors and that, and I was thinking it might be better to put it out by the plasma cutter itself so that the air has a chance to cool down as much as it can before it gets to the unit and then go through the separator. So anyway, similar design to what you see around, just a little different configuration. It's not flat against the wall. I shaped it such that I could put it on the back of this cart. I also made it portable so I can take it over to my sandblaster or use it here or wherever I need to use it. So as you can see, the air goes in right here. And then I've got the 4 valves on each loop. I can just check them, each one, to see if there's any moisture in it. And boy, it seems to work really good. But then the output air goes right here and has a little short hose. That way I can take it and move it to wherever I need. As you can see, I can just go stand it by my sandblaster or put it on the cart for the plasma cutter. Also, I used a 3D printer, of course, making these little brackets to hold the tube on to the cart. Turned out pretty good. And then, of course, put them here so that these tubes will be nice and solid. So anyway, that's a quick shot of this guy. Now I need to just disassemble it and paint it, and it'll be complete. So thanks for watching.